All right, so let's work through this think about it. We're going to graph both equations and then again explain what we notice on the next slide. So just like what we did yesterday. So let's start with line 1. We need the y-intercept, which is -3. So let's put that on the graph right here. And then we need the slope. We need it to be a fraction. So instead of 2, I'm going to write 2 over 1. It's positive. So that means I go up 2 and right 1. So I start at -3. I go up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1. I'm going to put a bunch of points like yesterday so I can clearly see where the point of intersection will be. Connect these with a straight line and add arrows. And then for the second line, we need to switch colors. So our y-intercept is 7, way up here. And our slope is the same. It's 2 over 1. So I go up 2 and right 1. Up 2, right 1. I'm out of room. So now I will go down 2 and left 1. Down 2, left 1. Down 2, left 1. So doesn't look like they have a point of intersection. So what do I notice about these two lines? Well, I notice they don't intersect. These lines are parallel. So that's what I notice. I'll write that on the next slide. So I notice that the lines are parallel and don't intersect. So yesterday I learned that the solution is the point where the lines intersect and these lines don't intersect. So I'm not sure what to do with that, so I'll just leave it here. This is what I notice.